Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review on Tool Daily's foam cannon. I absolutely love using the foam cannon. I wash everything with the foam cannon. Not all the time. Sometimes we just wash the car with a regular mitt and rag and whatever. But today we're going to get the foam cannon out. We're going to wash up the tractor because this season, man, did it get dirty with all the work that we've done. So stick around. We're going to use the Chemical Guys soap. Let's get at it. All right, guys, so we're gonna just move the trailer over near the hose. Don't forget to take all your stuff off your tractor, like your tools, gloves, any kind of miscellaneous things that you got kicking around in your toolbox or just hanging around for that matter. Always good to get rid of that stuff before you start. So we're just moving the tractor into position here. Got the hose right over there. We're going to get out the pressure washer and get started. All right, guys, let's have a look at it. So here we got the Tool Daily pressure washer gun with foam cannon. It comes with all the parts for your pressure washer. This one actually is for gas-powered pressure washer. So what comes in the box is a short pressure washer gun. You got the foam cannon, got a bunch of couplers, red, yellow, green, and white nozzle tips, and the soap nozzle tip. I've been using this foam cannon now for about 3 years. I really like it. In the box, you know, you got the bottle. So what you do is you fill it up about, a quarter of the way full with the soap. Got the gun, just plug it into each end, and then in the box, basically this is what creates the foam. So you put that in. I'll show you how that goes, and you can adjust the amount of foam that you want to have, plus or minus. You'll see that when we do the show. And then, oh, actually, I did get this attachment. And this attachment is pretty awesome. I can put it on my Karcher electric pressure washer. So you can buy different accessories for the Tool Daily gun. What else we got in there? Just some miscellaneous parts. This is actually a cool part. This one, I can turn it on a 90-degree angle. So that's really cool to get under the chassis. And for the soap, I've been using the Chemical Guys, the original Extreme Maxi Suds 2. This soap is really pretty awesome. It gets into all the crevices of your tractor or your quad or whatever else you want to use. It's really good to use on any equipment. Actually, I use it on my car, I use it on my quad. Whoa, we lost that one. Let's get that. I use it on my car, my quad, my tractor. I've used it on my boat. But what's really cool about the foam cannon is it kind of gets, like into all the grooves and stuff, right? In here, and I spray everywhere. So my tractor is not that dirty, but I mean, it is still pretty dirty. I've washed it a few times this summer, but we're getting ready to get the backhoe off here. So when we get the backhoe off, I always just like to give it a good shot. So, I'll spray all the foam in there. It's going to get rid of all of that dirt. I really like to keep my stuff clean. I find that it lasts longer. It's great to work on a clean machine. So the review of the Tool Daily foam cannon, let's get at it. All right, guys, so first thing we need to do is take our Chemical Guys Maxi Suds. We're going to get out the container. And then I like to just put about, a quarter of the amount. Yeah, something around there. That always works out. And then we're going to fill the rest of it up with water right to the top. And we're going to put this down into there like that. And like I said, we'll be able to control how much suds action we get with this nozzle right here. Now, contrary to what people may think, The way you want to wash anything with the foam cannon, or when you're going to put that kind of suds in there to get into all the nooks and crannies, is to just do it when the tractor or your sled, for example, or your ATV or trailer, whatever you're cleaning, is to start off with a good dry surface. And then you will see the suds will go in and get into all the cracks and everything else. It'll lift the dirt so that you're able to then hit it with the pressure washer. So with that being said, let's get some water. So we got it filled right to the top. I'm just going to put this on, screw it on, and it works just like that. So you just shake up the suds here a bit, get that soap throughout all the water, and then we're going to start with the Tool Daily foam cannon with the Chemical Guys Maxi Suds. Do a little test. All right, I got water. So now I'm going to start up my gas powered pressure washer, and then we're going to start hitting that thing. Let's do it. Part is you can also take it off of this one and put it back on the long extension. So after we do this, we'll just hit it with regular water, but all the dirt will probably be gone. So it's going to be pretty awesome. All right guys, so we're going to let that dry off, and I'm going to take you a little walk around tour around the tractor. You're going to see that Tool Daily foam cannon works wonders. All right, so guys, my review of the Tool Daily foam cannon is really going to speak for itself. I didn't scrub very much. Those are like brand new again. So what I really like about the foam cannon is how it just gets into all the nooks and crannies, right? You didn't see me spray the motor, but it was sprayed. And then what I did was I hit the tractor with my leaf blower just to dry it off a little quicker for you guys. But you know, even if you look at the treads, right, a lot of that dirt is off, and I mean, I barely scrubbed anything. So it's definitely not perfect, but for a tractor, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Now, obviously, it's not getting off, you know, grease and stuff like that. So I have other products that I would spray on first, and I usually do a real heavy cleanup of the diesel soot and some of the grease that's lagging around. I do that in the spring before I get started on another year, because I don't know, I like to leave the grease there with the winter. When I put the blower on, it's just a little bit more grease, and then we have to grease it up. But I mean, it doesn't do much with diesel soot, right? It'll take off some, as you can see, right? I mean, I do it with my finger, so if I scrub it, it'll all come off. But I mean, in general, I love the foam cannon. The Tool Daily foam cam is on Amazon. I bought it on Amazon. It was $29.95. The Chemical Guys, they're pretty damn good too. You know, I like to use them maxi suds. There are other extreme ones that you can buy, but I like to be careful of my paint at the same time. But I mean, right, it's a tractor and it was a mess, and now it looks like not new, but pretty damn clean. So that's going to cap us off for today, guys, with the Tool Daily foam cannon. To me, it's a thumbs up. I use it on my tractor, my trailer, my sleds, ATV. You can use it on anything. I've even used it on the windows at the house just to pull off some of the dirt that forms over the course of the winter. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching today. My opinion of the Tool Daily is it's awesome for the price. You don't need to spend 150 bucks on a foam cannon. This one does the trick. I use the chemical, guys. You can use whoever you want. So thanks a lot for coming. Let me know in the comments below what kind of foam cannon you use or soap that you use, or if you think there's anything else that I could do differently. Have a great week. God bless. Be safe. Thanks for subscribing and liking. Take it easy.